What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. We're gonna go over Toshi, the only coin that is not pumping today. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I am bullish on Toshi. I think it's gonna be one of the leading meme coins on top of base. There is the warning: Toshi has recently migrated from old contract to new. That's old news right there. But if you want to view that, just go over to CoinGecko, type it in. There's some links you can click. But the market cap's 258 million with 420 billion coins in circulation on a 420. The all-time high was 5 months ago. We're only down 72% from that all-time high. All-time low was a year ago. If you would have got in at the ground floor, you wouldn't be watching a low-class YouTube person like me for a price prediction. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Toshi. All right, everybody, we did Toshi yesterday. This is the chart we had drawn. We said we had to watch out for that 382 area at about 0006, and that's exactly what's kind of rejecting us right now. We wicked up to it. We got a rejection, but the overall indicators are looking very, very strong here for Toshi. If you look at the bottom that we experienced in April 8th of 2025, we have the steep uptrend that is still holding very, very well. Indicators looking good. The only thing that I want to take into consideration is the stock RSI is way up here already. We're already this high on the stock RSI and we haven't seen a breakout, so that's something to take into consideration. But that's why you don't put all your weight into one indicator. The other indicators are looking really, really well, such as the MACD. The MACD is working towards that bullish crossover. We're not there yet, but we're working on it. Blue over orange is bullish, and you can see since we bottomed there, or since we crossed over bearish on May 22nd, which was the top, pretty much near the top, we've been working our way back up. We have the RSI, which we talked about yesterday, finally breaking out. So the RSI has broken out of this downtrend. The RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. So the strength was bearish, and now the strength has flipped to bullish. If you look at the WTX, similar with the WTX, starting to run back up. So the WTX, guys, a lot of people don't know about this indicator right here. So when it prints red and green, red is sell, green is buy, and you get just a general consensus. That's a tough word. I wanted to buy and sell. And if you just look at the prior history on buy and sell on that indicator, like I love this indicator. It's a lot of people don't use it. Is we had a sell signal right here. And if you would have listened to that sell signal, you would have been able to catch that dip. The last buy signal prior to that was April 6th, which was right here. And if you would have bought that buy signal, you would have been able to catch that. It did have a buy signal right here as well, which caught that run up. You did have a sell signal right here, which caught this run down. So I do like the WTX. I don't rely solely on it, but it is a very, very good indicator on possible reversals and the most optimal time to buy coins. And with that being said, you can base that with the other indicators that the overall momentum for Toshi should break this 382 area here at 6.5 and put us towards our next leg up, which if we look at the next leg up, let me actually draw this so it's straight. Our next leg up should hypothetically be a really nice move. We should hypothetically go vertical back to this uptrend resistance area, which is back to our all-time high price, guys, and beyond. So alt season's about ready to explode. I am going to make a video on that, so just follow the channel or look on there. I'm going to make a video about the chart on alt season and how on June 15th things get really, really exciting. Now, if we drop from the all-time high to the low, we do have the main resistance at the 618 at 723. That's going to be our main contender to overtake. So that is the area that we want to focus on here in the short term. And then with the downtrend on the short term, we did actually break out. So we did break out of our downtrend that we've been in since May 12th. So we are officially bullish, guys. We are officially bullish since May. So I wouldn't knock that. I wouldn't ignore that whatsoever. I think Toshi is gearing up for this next leg higher. We've gone over why, we've gone over the resistance and supports areas. It's just now get those diamond hands, buy, hold, don't sell till the end of October, November. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.